Can I ask for directions?
To?
Your heart.
Hey, look at me. Who's that girl? Where are you? Don't know lah. I heard about you and that girl.
Which girl?
That girl lah. How would I know which girl? You are the one who knows the girl, what?
I don't have
You
that.
don't come tell me, okay?
Polygamy is the act of multiple marriage. In both Wei Cheng's and my family, our grandfather both has more than one wife. We are now looking at my maternal family. This is my maternal grandfather, and this is my maternal grandmother. So my grandmother is actually my grandfather's first wife, so this is his first marriage. Now my mother has 4 brothers and 1 sister. Here is my mother, and this is my grandfather's second wife. It happens after my mother birth, and they have 1 son and 1 daughter. Now we are looking at Wei Cheng's maternal family. This is Wei Cheng's grandfather. He came from China. And this is Wei Cheng's first stepmother. We don't know how she looks like because she died in China. We never get to look at her. And we don't know how many children she has in China. And this is his second wife. She also comes from China, and she has some child in China, and we don't know how many are there, but we do know how many are there in Malaysia. And they have 1 son and 1 daughter. Now this is his third wife, which is Wei Cheng's true grandmother. And they have 4 sons and 9 daughters, including Wei Cheng's mother. Now we are looking at a table comparing a polygamous family and a normal family in terms of several characteristics. A polygamous family is a family that practices polygamy, and a normal family is a family that doesn't practice polygamy. Now the first characteristic is family. In terms of family members, the polygamous family definitely have the upper hand. They have more members, and the normal family have less. Now the second characteristic, education. The polygamous family has higher level of education, and the normal family has less education opportunity, thus they have lower education. Now that leads to wealth. Higher level of education leads the polygamous family to more money, and the normal family are poorer. Next, we are looking at something that's come from our research, and it also happens in our family. Polygamy is actually an illegal act even back in those days. However, many people still can practice polygamy because they know a way to escape the law. So how do they escape the law? By registering their marriage with the temple only, without registering with the state government, they can actually escape from the law. They don't have to undergo divorces to perform their second marriage. This actually happens to my grandmother. Polygamy also comes with different negative consequences. One of the consequences is actually having too many children. And after having too many children, the family can't afford the financial burden. The only solution is to give away their children. So they gave away. This actually happens in Wei Chen's family. A few of his mother's siblings are given away to Malays and some are given to Indians.